it's not going on. So leaders of the world, tell me what is going on. So no more nuclear and it's still going on. So build some more schools and it's not going on. More factories, more resources and it's not going on. So leaders of the world, tell me what is going on. This is the ultimatum presented to us. Security condition, women will entrust their security to a larger entity. A risk of annihilation. Persuade men that their salvation will rest in subordination of national and local interest to the interests of mankind. Our endangerment's future. Jah warned them long time, so don't make them confuse you. As long as the sun shine, never lose Jacka Jah, will never lose you. Just the angels in heaven, or even earthly creatures. Teachings of His Majesty, speeches of His Majesty. Listen keenly when He address me. Pure loyalty and pure honesty. No. Speeches of His Majesty, teachings of His Majesty. Listen keenly when He address me. Pure loyalty and pure honesty.
Even in the 20th century, with space, courage, and the just cause, David will still beat Goliath.
It's only when mankind become master of his fate will able to determine his destiny.